Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you one way to save money with this simple almond milk recipe. This easy almond milk recipe is made with just 2 ingredients and is ready in 10 minutes or less. It tastes so much better than the store-bought kind without any preservatives, sweeteners, fillers or added sugar. Making your own almond milk at home means that you can decide how many almonds to use and what goes in your almond milk in this recipe. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, the first step for this recipe, you'll need to soak your almonds for 4 to 6 hours. However, I soaked mine overnight. I just prefer to do mine that way. For a creamier almond milk, I use 2 cups of almonds in 4 cups of filtered water. Honestly, I think it tastes so much better than any almond milk I've ever bought at the shops, and I know you'll think so too. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of almonds and 4 cups of filtered water. Next, drain the soaked almonds and rinse them well. Discard the water that they're not soaked in. Then, you're going to combine all the almonds and 4 cups of fresh filtered water into the blender and blend until the almonds have broken down and the milk looks nice and creamy. Next, strain the almond milk through a nut bag or cheesecloth. I used a clean kitchen towel because I didn't have any of the above. Squeeze well to extract the extra liquid. You can save the remaining almond pulp for another recipe, or you can just throw it away. Next, transfer the extracted milk into an airtight glass jar of your choice. You can store the almond milk in the fridge for up to 4 days, or you can freeze leftovers if needed for up to 3 months. And there you have it. Homemade almond milk. For an extra special treat, why not try adding 2 teaspoons of carob or wheatgrass powder and 1 tablespoon of agave syrup or maple syrup. Shake well and enjoy a sweet, irresistible chocolate smoothie or a healthy green smoothie for that extra iron boost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and leave a comment if you decide to try this recipe out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!